Hello, everyone. You may have noticed that your Toyota Tundra is flashing a maintenance required message after 5,000 or 10,000 miles. Don't panic. It's just a reminder to check your truck's maintenance schedule. In this video, I will guide you to reset this maintenance light in the 2000 to 2024 Toyota Tundra, but make sure you change your engine oil before resetting this light. So let's go see together how this task is done. In this section, I will show you how to reset your engine oil data light in the old Tundra. So the first thing you want to do is, Step 1. Put your key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. Step 2. Press the trip button on the cluster to get to the auto screen. Step 3. Now turn the ignition off. Step 4. Hold down the trip button and turn the truck to the on position without starting the engine. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button until you see the multiple zeros, and the maintenance required light will go away. In this section, I will show you how to reset the oil maintenance required light in the 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra. So let's do it. Step 1. Put your key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. Step 2. Hit the trip button on the cluster to get the trip A on the screen. Step 3. Turn off your car. Step 4. Hold the trip button and turn your car to the on position again without cranking the engine. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button until you see some zeros or complete, and you're done. Next, I will guide you to reset the oil maintenance light in the 2014 to 2017 Toyota Tundra. The method is the same as the previous model. So let's do it. Step 1. Turn on the car without starting it up. Step 2. Push the trip button on the cluster to get the trip A on the screen. Step 3. Turn the key off. Step 4. Hold down the trip button and then turn the key to the on position again without starting the engine. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button until the resetting maintenance data is complete, and you're done. For the 2018 to 2021 Toyota Tundra, you'll use the navigation button on the steering wheel to reset the maintenance light. So let me show you how it's done on this truck. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Use the right or left navigation button and go to the gear icon. Step 3. Use the down button to scroll to the vehicle settings menu and press the center button to enter. Step 4. Select the maintenance reset. Step 5. When a confirmation message appears, select Yes to accept the maintenance reset. Like its predecessor, in the new Tundra, you'll use the navigation button on the steering wheel to reset the maintenance light. So now, all you need to do is, Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Then, you will cycle over with the navigation button to the settings menu. Step 3. Next, you will scroll down to the vehicle settings and press OK. Step 4. Scroll down and select either oil maintenance or scheduled maintenance. Step 5. When you see reset data, you'll go up to Yes and hit the OK button to confirm it. So that's how you reset it. Now, the oil maintenance light is reset. I hope this content helped you out. Please leave me a comment below to help support my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.